Hi everybody, I am going to take you through my Weebly portfolio. So this is my homepage, just my welcome message and a picture of me. We'll go over to my biography, just a little bit about me and what I'm studying at the College of Western Idaho and what I plan to do once I graduate. This is my Microsoft Word assignment that I used, my lesson plan. Scroll through that. Here's my Excel assignment. My PowerPoint presentation, all of the slides that you can flip through. And we'll go over to my work assignment. So I did mine on 3rd grade, What is Recycling? So here's my home page. And then we'll go over to my introduction page. And what is recycling? Just kind of the intro of what we'll be talking about. My task page. Sorry, it takes a while for it to load. So step by step on what we'll do. Here's the matchup game we're going to play and the quiz. And then here's the process page of step-by-step instructions on what we will be doing. Again, sorry, it takes a little bit. My process page, step-by-step, everything that we'll be doing. My evaluation page. On how many points everything will be. My conclusion. My conclusion page, and then finally my teacher's page. Maybe if it'll load. Sorry, it's taking so long. There we go. Conclusion. Sorry, my teacher's page right here with the standard of the activity that we'll be doing. And that is my Weebly portfolio. So thank you.